Term life insurance is like a safety net for a specific time. It provides financial protection for your loved ones during a predetermined period, ensuring they are taken care of if something happens to you. It's a contract between you and an insurance company. You agree to pay a premium, and in return, the company promises to pay a death benefit to your beneficiaries if you pass away during the term. You pay a premium, usually monthly. This premium is often lower than other types of life insurance, making it an affordable option for many families. If you die during the term of the policy, your loved ones get a death benefit. This money can be used to cover funeral costs, pay off debts, or provide for daily living expenses. Think of it as renting an apartment. You pay for the time you live there, and once the lease is up, you no longer have access to the apartment. You pay for the time you live there. Similarly, with term life insurance, you pay for coverage during the term you select. With term life, you pay for coverage while you need it. This is particularly useful during years when your family relies on your income the most. This term could be 10, 20, or 30 years. You can choose the length of the term based on your financial goals and the needs of your family. Term life insurance is straightforward. It's easy to understand and doesn't come with the complexities of other types of life insurance. It's designed to protect your family if you're no longer there to provide. This peace of mind can be invaluable, knowing that your loved ones will be financially secure. It's different from permanent life insurance, which is more complex and costly. Permanent life insurance includes an investment component and lasts for your entire life. We'll focus on term life insurance in this essay. It's a practical choice for many, offering essential coverage without the higher costs and complexities of permanent policies. Imagine you buy a 20-year term life insurance policy for $500,000. This means that for the next 20 years, you are covered for that amount. If something happens to you during this period, your loved ones will receive the payout. It's a way to ensure that your family is financially protected even if you're not around. Your monthly premium is $50. This is the amount you pay every month to keep the policy active. It's a small price to pay for the peace of mind that comes with knowing your family is protected. You pay this premium for 20 years. Over time, these payments add up, but they ensure that the policy remains in force. It's important to keep up with these payments to avoid losing coverage. If you die within those 20 years, your beneficiary, perhaps your spouse, receives the $500,000 death benefit. This money can be a lifeline for them, helping to cover immediate expenses and providing financial stability during a difficult time. This money can help them cover living expenses, pay off debts, or even invest for the future. It can be used for anything they need, from daily expenses to long-term financial goals. The death benefit provides a financial cushion that can make a big difference in their lives. However, if you outlive the 20-year term, the policy expires. This means that the coverage ends and you no longer have life insurance protection under this policy. It's important to plan for this eventuality and consider other options if you still need coverage. You don't receive any payout. The premiums you paid are not refunded and the policy simply ends. It's like renting an apartment. Once the lease is up, you no longer have a place to stay unless you renew or find a new place. It's like your apartment lease ending. You have to move out and find a new place to live. Similarly, with term life insurance, once the term is over, you need to consider your next steps for life insurance coverage. Term life insurance is about covering a specific period when your loved ones depend on your income. It's designed to provide financial protection during the years when your family needs it the most, such as when your children are young or when you have significant financial obligations. It's a safety net for a defined time. By having this coverage, you can ensure that your family is taken care of, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to focus on living your life to the fullest. Term life insurance offers several benefits. First and foremost, it's affordable. You get substantial coverage for a relatively low cost, especially if you're young and healthy. Second, it's simple to understand. Unlike some financial products, term life insurance is straightforward. You pay your premiums and your beneficiaries are protected. Third, it's flexible. You can choose the coverage amount and term length that suits your needs and budget. Need more coverage for a while? You can adjust your policy when it's time to renew. Finally, it provides peace of mind. Knowing your family is financially protected can bring immense comfort and reduce stress. Section 4. Who needs term life insurance? Term life insurance is particularly beneficial for individuals with dependents, like young children or a non-working spouse. It provides a safety net that ensures your loved ones are taken care of financially in the event of your untimely passing. This type of insurance is designed to replace your income, helping to cover daily living expenses, education costs, and other essential needs. It ensures their financial stability if something happens to you. This peace of mind is invaluable, knowing that your family won't struggle to make ends meet during an already difficult time. The payout from a term life insurance policy can be used to pay off debts, maintain their current lifestyle, and secure their future. If you have significant debts, like a mortgage, term life insurance can help cover those obligations, preventing a financial burden on your loved ones. This is especially important for homeowners who want to ensure their family can continue living in their home without the added stress of financial strain. Young professionals just starting their careers can benefit from the affordability of term life insurance, locking in low rates while they have young families to protect. As your career progresses and your income increases, you can adjust your coverage to match your growing financial responsibilities. Even if you're single, term life insurance can make sense to cover debts or leave a legacy for someone you care about. It can also be a strategic financial tool, providing funds for final expenses or charitable donations. Ultimately, term life insurance offers a flexible and affordable way to ensure that your financial obligations are met, no matter what the future holds. Section 5. Real-life examples. Let's look at some examples. A young couple with a new baby buys a 20-year term life policy to cover their mortgage and provide for their child's future. A single parent working 2 jobs gets coverage to ensure their children can finish college if something happens. A business owner uses term life insurance to cover a business loan, protecting their business partner and employees. These are just a few scenarios where term life insurance provides crucial financial protection. Section 6. Taking the next step. Term life insurance is a valuable tool to protect your loved ones and provide financial security. It's affordable, easy to understand, and offers peace of mind. If you have dependents, debts, or simply want to leave a financial legacy, consider exploring term life insurance options. Talk to a financial advisor to determine the right coverage amount and term length for your needs. Taking action today can make a world of difference for your loved ones tomorrow.